Hello everybody, welcome to my video. So I have had some requests to slow it down and do some creating that is not sped up. So that's what I'm going to do. If you recall, last week I made these adorable boho pumpkins and I'm going to go ahead and make them double-sided. One side will be for Halloween, the other side will be for fall. Autumn, whatever you would like to say. So first things first is I flipped it over and I painted using our Rust Chalkology paste. This is chalk paste, and I am going to show you how I painted, and then we're going to turn them into jack-o'-lanterns. So I'll go ahead and use this big one here. The first thing I do is I take a little bit of water and I just spray it and spread it. Spray it and spread it just to get the surface damp. You don't want it so wet that it turns into a watercolor, but you do want it a little damp. Then just kind of wipe it off, and I'm going to pick up Rust chalk paste, not paint. It's not acrylic paint. It's nothing like that. It's chalk paste, and I'm just going to start spreading it. It does spread nicely when you have that damp surface. So I'm just going right up. I have already previously embellished on here, and I am just going right up to those embellishments. I'm going to go ahead and get that top there. And here we go. I'm just going to get the edge. And I like, when I paint the pumpkins, I like to spin my brush into the shape that flows with the pumpkin, basically. So I just kind of follow that edge. I'm going to go ahead and get the edge and then go back with my brush and do that a little bit more. You know how pumpkins kind of have those lines? That's what I'm doing with my brush. Super easy. Just kind of follow the pumpkin shape. Done. Now what I'm going to do is dry this, and then I'll show you what it looks like when it's all done. When you do that with your paintbrush, it helps also to kind of like make some parts darker and some parts lighter. If you are new and you would like to check out my free group on Facebook, I can send you that link. All you have to do is comment VIP in the comments, and I will send you the link, or I'll reply and give you that link. If you're watching me on TikTok, you have to click the link in my bio. It's the only way you can take advantage of all the things that I'm going to talk about. You have to click the link in my bio. I wish I could give you a link, but I cannot. It doesn't work that way. So here's my little pumpkin. That's dry. Now we're going to do the last one. This is the little baby pumpkin. Little spray here. Also, if you're super new and you haven't tried this yet, you can comment sample and I will send you a message if you're on Facebook watching. If you're on YouTube, I can reply with a link. If you are on TikTok, you need to click the link in my bio. Please. I don't know where I'm pointing. Right there. Okay, that is it. All right, so now we're going to get this last one painted before we do our pumpkin faces. So these are our pumpkin cutouts. They are a very chunky wooden pumpkin, okay? Not a skinny wood cutout. These have sustenance. They will stand on their own. So again, I'm going to kind of do that pumpkin shape with my brush. And I'm just going to use this quick dry tool to get it dried so that we can add our pumpkin faces. It's going to be so cute. While it's drying, you can even add a little bit more color if you wanted to do like a couple darker. There we go. The really cool thing about using our chalk paste to paint a surface is it dries so fast and it washes and cleans up so easy. This is all water washable, even after it's dried. Water washable. I'm just going to rinse this off in my water and it's going to be clean and ready to go for the next time I want to use it. Now, I'm done with my rust chalk paste. Rust is the color. And bring on the shimmer shadow. This is a black, glittery, shimmery chalk paste. I'm going to cut these, my transfer trimmers, real quick. And then I will line these up. So this one is going to go here, that will go here, and then the tall skinny face will go here. So let's do our big one first because this is nice and dry. We're going to wax this surface because it's painted with our chalk. I'm just going to pick up a little bit of our wax and rub it in. It gives a nice finish to that chalk. Makes it nice and smooth and kind of puts that barrier between your transfer and the surface. Sorry. Sometimes I don't talk in complete sentences. I apologize. Because my brain can only do so many things at once. And I want to make sure it's nice and smooth. All right. Last one. This again is our surface wax. I'll show you. It's our surface wax. If you can't find it in my online shop, you can contact me directly. You can send me a message. I have it in stock here. It is sold out right now online, but I do have it in stock. Okay. Then we're going to write on our backer sheet just the word back. That helps us. Oh, yeah. Apparently, I already did that. To know which side to replace the transfer. This is a silk screen, reusable, sticky back transfer. It's like a sticker, okay? And it's going to stick to our surface. I'm going to fuzz it on this cloth just a couple times because it actually doesn't have to stick super hard. So I'm just going to place it there, open up my shimmer paste. I'm going to grab one of our small squeegees and pick up some paste with my squeegee, just like that. And I'm going to spread it across the silk screen. These open areas are silk screen. And so it does a couple things. Number one, it is the opening for the stencil. And number two, the silk screen keeps the paste smooth and even because it is not paint. It is not self-leveling. Paint is a self-leveling product. This is not. So you want to kind of be aware of that. Look how cute. OMG. And it's so sparkly. We're going to let these dry. And I'm going to do each one with our shimmer. Go ahead and fuzz it. I put my fuzz cloth down here. All right. There we go. This is a nice happy fat pumpkin. Pick up a little bit of chalk paste and spread it across the silk screen. Squeegee, you got to scrape that squeegee to move the paste through the silk screen. There you go. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And then this right here is washable. Just throw it in your water, wash it up, let it dry with the sticky side facing up, and good to go. All right, let's set that one aside, and we'll do the last one. I do have videos that show how to wash your transfers in case you've never washed yours before and you would like to learn. There we go. These guys are so cute. And with the shimmer, oh my gosh. So if you love glitter but hate glitter, if you love the look but hate the mess, your shimmer paste is where it's all at, because you don't have to have that mess of actual glitter. It is a godsend. All right. So we're going to wash these real quick, and we're going to set these to dry. I'm just going to wash my tool here because we can just reuse this. You always want to wash between colors, and of course right when you're done, so that you can use that again. And I'm going to head over here to my water bin. Okay. Clean this up. We're going to get out the drying tool again. We're going to get this dry. And then I will show you up close and personal how awesome these are. Again, if you would like to join my free group, go ahead and find me on Facebook. You'll be able to find CreativeSarah. That's my name. That's my page. And you can join my free group. You can comment VIP. But if you're on TikTok, you have to know that I am unable to send you a link. You have to click the link in my bio. Oh my gosh, you guys. This is so darn cute. All right. Done. And done. And done. I'm going to hold them up. You'll be able to see the shimmer. Isn't it cute? These little guys in your tier tray. Maybe you need a little stand. Aren't these the cutest? When your transfer is done and dry, you can pop it back onto the backer sheet and you are D-O-N-E done. All right, you guys, thank you so much for checking this out. Hope you enjoy it. Make sure to look in the description of this video. You'll find the shop the link or shop the cart shop. I wish I could talk. Shop the look link if you're on Facebook and YouTube. If you're on TikTok, it's all in my bio link. All right, you guys. See you later. Thanks for watching. Bye.